told to deliver this message.
And we, the Nation of Islam, are determined that we shall not stand by and allow the white press and the government to label black men and women who struggle for our freedom, our justice, and equality to be labeled as terrorists or anything else that the government wants to put on them. We must show a united front and a united back. If there is nothing more that we have learned from our struggle in the 60s, we should have learned that the enemy regards us all as his enemy. And we should have learned by now that the enemy never wanted to see black nationalists of any persuasion or black people, period, come into any form of unified action. And they worked night and day to make sure that no black Messiah would rise among us who could unify and electrify our struggle. All right. But the beast, as always, is late. Too late. Too late. He wrote down that he thought Stokely Carmichael was the Messiah. He wrote down that he thought Malcolm X and Martin Luther King and Elijah Muhammad was the Messiah. So poor brother Stokely, they set agents round about him. But thanks be to Almighty God, Allah, Stokely is still strong. They murdered Martin Luther King. And just as surely as they murdered Martin Luther King, they also were co-conspirators in the murder of Malcolm X. And just as surely as we sit here today, they conspired and worked diligently to destroy every major black leader and every major black organization. They systematically destroyed the Black Panther Party. They systematically worked to destroy the RNA. They worked to destroy the Nation of Islam. But look, here we are. Certainly I am not equal to the Honorable Elijah Muhammad. Certainly I am not able to even unlace the shoes of his feet. But I am his student. I don't say that I'm nothing to the Honorable Marcus Garvey or the Honorable Noble Drew Ali. And I don't claim to be the equal of Malcolm or King or none of the great warriors who lived and died before I was born, but I do say this. I say that all of them are alive in this little brother that stands before you. Almighty God, Allah, I will not be unfaithful to the baton of their legacy that I have in my hand and you have in your hand today. For we are at the culmination of it all. We are at the time that Denmark Easy want to see. We are at the time that Nat Turner wanted to see. We are at the time that they planned for, plotted for, but we are alive now in the final decade of white supremacy. This is the end, brother, of their rule, the end of their time, and many in this audience will live to see the United States government buried in the ashes of history.